In this short tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect Shopify to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down below into the Shopping Cart section and click Add New Account. Enter a name for the account. On the Vendor drop-down, choose Shopify and click Save. An API URL will be generated for your shopping cart account. Copy the URL. Log into your Shopify account. Click on the Settings menu on the bottom section of the sidebar. Click on the Notifications menu. Click on Webhooks. Click on Create a Webhook. On the Event drop-down, choose Order Creation. Keep the format to JSON. Paste the API URL from Review Trust. On the Webhook API version, choose 2024-07. Click Save. Go back to Review Trust to create a product campaign. Enter the required information. On the shopping cart drop-down field, select Shopify. Choose the account you recently created. And continue creating the campaign, and you are done.